Hello and welcome everybody to another MyMaths walkthrough, task 3262, frequency trees. Okay, so we're given this table and we've given a whole bunch of information. All we have to do is put the information into the table. This is the one where you read it a few times and you put things in place and you look for what that also tells you secretly. So I'll show you what that means. So 40 large, those 40 large cakes. So if I go to the large cakes, there's 40 in total over here, so I can put 40 large cakes over there, 11 of which are chocolate, so the 11 chocolate, so I can put 11 in here. Okay, now that secretly tells me that there's now 29 vanilla and toffee large cakes. So I'm reading into this sentence. I'm told 19 of the 35 vanilla are cupcakes. So 19 of the 35 vanilla. So vanilla, there's 35 of them, and 19 of them are cupcakes, which also tells me that there must be 16 large vanilla cupcakes. So this sign has got hidden information in it, and I just have to try to withdraw that information as I'm working. There's 27 toffee cupcakes. Toffee cupcakes, there's 27 of those. And then finally there's 28 chocolate, so the 28 chocolates can go down here. Now this information combined with earlier information tells me there must be 17 cupcakes there. This information up the top, let's start filling things in now. So now we know there's 11, there's 27 accounted for here out of the 40, that leaves 13 to go in there. Coming downwards, there's 27 and 30 is 40 altogether at the bottom. That one will go now, so let's go along. I'm going to go along this one because this looks easier. So there's 40, 75, 85, 95, 103 altogether in that row. And then if there's 40 there and 103, that must be 63 along there. And if you add them up, so we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we've got 7, 14, 23, and 40 and 23 is 63. So when you're doing these two tables, you need to make sure you're filling in additional information as well as what that's telling you and what it implies. Going across to the frequency trees, this is called a frequency tree. Again, I've just got information I'm going to put on the tree as I go along. So there's 81 trips altogether, so I'm going to start off here with 81. It says I'm lost 13 times with a map. So if I go for a map and I go to the lost, that's where the 13 is. Lost 13 times with a map, and I was lost 27 times without a map. So no map, I was lost 27 times. So it's 27 over here. There's 40 trips with a map, so the map, there's 40 trips up there. Now this tells me if there's 40 trips with a map and there's 81 trips altogether, there must have been 41 down here to make the 81. And then if I go along the tree, I've got 13 out of those 40, leaves me with 27 out of the 40 where I didn't get lost with a map. And on the bottom one, if there's 41 and 27 I was lost, it means 14 I wasn't lost, because these two have to add up to 41. That's the tree filled in. How many times were I not lost? Did she find her way? So if you find your way, you're not lost. So not lost and not lost, that's these two together, so that's 27 plus the 14, which equals usually 41. Okay, so I wasn't lost 41 times. And the last question was, how many times did she find her way without a map? So she took a gamble, didn't go without a map, didn't get lost 14 times. Okay, and that's frequency trees. Just take your time and put information on, even if it's not there or it's hidden. Have fun.